Do you know what is global warming? Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants known as greenhouse gases in the atmosphere trap heat from the sun, which later bounce off to the Earth's surface. Thus, the emission of greenhouse gases may cause global warming and eventually will lead to the climate change. Based on the data from 2014 Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC), carbon dioxide gas contributes towards the highest percentage of gases emitted, releasing 76% of the gas into the environment. The emission is followed by methane gas, which covers up to 16% of the total production of gases emitted. A lower amount of emission is produced by nitrous oxide gas and fluorinated gas, which carries less than 10% of the total contributions of the emission of greenhouse gases towards the atmosphere. Based on the United States Environmental Protection Agency (EPA), global emissions of greenhouse gases are from deforestation, which release carbon dioxide gas, industrial processes which produce fluorinated gases, fossil fuel combustion that generates nitrogen dioxide gas, and last but not least, the effect of the landfill or waste management, which results in the emission of methane gas. Methane is a molecule that consists of two elements, which are carbon and hydrogen atoms. Each carbon atom will form 4 single covalent bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms. So why methane gas? Methane emission contributes to 10% of the total greenhouse gases production. Methane gas traps heat, which has 28 times more powerful in warming the earth rather than carbon dioxide gas. Emission of methane is resulted from the decaying of the waste and landfills materials, which contribute to the global warming. What is the source of organic landfills in Malaysia? They are wasted food, kitchen waste, food residues, and expired or contaminated food. So how does methane gas can be emitted from our domestic waste? The wasted materials or landfills are being decomposed by the soils. The process of the decaying of all those waste materials will emit gas called methane. This methane gas will be released to the atmosphere, warming the earth, and eventually causing climate change. The solution for all these waste materials is by using steel braid. We are turning the steel braid into an organic clay, which is environmentally friendly product.
Let's see what is the ingredients of the bread and how bread is made. First, flour that contains high levels of glutenin and gliadin proteins will mix with water and salt. Salt will slow the fermentation process, strengthen the structure, and dough will be more elastic. And lastly, it will become gluten. Flour contains starch, long chains of connected sugar molecules. Amylase enzymes convert starch to maltose. Maltase in yeast convert this to glucose. Yeast are single-cell fungi that help convert sugars in the bread mixed into carbon dioxide. The bubbles of carbon dioxide formed cause the bread to rise, kneading makes their size more uniform. The ethanol will boil off during baking. Other ingredients in baking the bread is fat. It will weaken the gluten bond, giving a softer bread. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate will help the bread rise. Ascorbic acid, or more commonly known as vitamin C, it helps to strengthen the dough's gluten bond. How about the clay that exists in our market? Polymer clays contain polyvinyl chloride (PVC), a plastic additive that is popular in clays because of its hardening properties. However, PVC contains the chemical dioxin, a proven carcinogen, and phthalate. Exposure to phthalates has been linked to conditions such as infertility, attention disorders, autism, and cancer. Also, PVC contributes to global plastic pollution when it is discarded or when it gets into our natural environment.
The organic clay can later be used as plasticines, sculptures, clay paintings, and other suitable home or office decoration items. The organic clay serves a variety of wide purposes in everyday lives. It is diversely used as sculptures, educational tools, replicas, model, or prototype in several professional fields. Based on the feedback from our 20 respondents, most of them are strongly agreed that the organic braid clay is a better choice for them. They are more preferable in terms of its durability, saving costs, safety, and its attractiveness as compared to the current clays which are available in the market nowadays. Safety and its attractiveness as compared to the current clays which are available in the market nowadays. As a conclusion, carbon dioxide gas has found to be the key towards global warming. However, IPCC's latest report has highlighted the benefits of making cuts to the other greenhouse gases too. Hence, by using green technology such as braid clay, it might help us to save the world as it has the ability in reducing the amount of methane gas production. Braid clay is one of the solutions towards these problems as it contains less chemical substances as compared to the existing clay which is already in the market.